always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Can you tell what it is?
A green apple.
That's right! Let's see if you can guess what my other paintings are. What's this?
That's Mr. Frog.
Yes! And what's this?
It looks like a green airplane.
That's right!
What's this one?
That's a green pumpkin. They're usually orange, but I wanted to paint a green one. Did you notice something about all my paintings? Look again. I painted a green apple, Mr. Frog, a green airplane, and a green pumpkin. What do they all have in common?
They're all green.
That's right! Today, I'm only painting green things.
Pig's paintings give me an idea. Let's make green our special color of the day.
I'm crunching leaves, but only green leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
Pig, Fox, I'm going to show you a new way of painting.
Ooh!
I don't see any paintbrushes.
That's right, Fox. We're not going to paint with paintbrushes.
Huh?
Huh?
We're going to paint with sponges. Ready to see what happens?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Do you want to start with blue paper or red paper?
Blue, please.
And I'll take red, please.
Great! Now, pick up a sponge. Dip it in the yellow paint and start painting.
Oh, look! My paper is turning orange. Because red and yellow make orange.
My paper's turning green.
That's right.
Look how smooth it looks.
I'm tapping my sponge. It looks rough, like rocks.
Smooth and rough are textures. Say it after me. Textures.
Textures. I'm done.
Me too.
Let's hang up your paintings and look at them. What's something that's the same about your paintings?
We both painted with sponges.
That's right. What else?
We both painted with yellow.
Yes. And what's something different about your paintings?
Mine came out green, and Pig's is orange.
And my painting is rough, but Fox's is smooth.
That's right. Now, what do we do when we're done painting?
We go play.
Uh-huh.
But first,
We clean up.
Oh, right.
that's right. Let's clean up together.
Okay.
Colors fill our world like a rainbow that's unfurled, painting earth and sky, the colors of my life. The world is filled with so many beautiful colors, like the color green. Green is here and there. I see it everywhere. Green is all around, in the sky and on the ground.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Zanelle Sees Numbers. Let's find out what happens. Let's begin. Zanelle Sees Numbers. Written by Laura Delange, illustrated by Henry Coetzee, designed by Arthur Atwell. Everyone tells Zanelle that numbers are all around her, but no matter how hard she tries, she can't see them. Zanelle asks Grandmother to help her see some numbers. Grandmother points to the jars on the shelf and counts 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are jars. Zanelle asks Mom to help her see some numbers. Mom points to the carrots in the garden and counts 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are carrots. Zanelle sees Linda counting the chickens to see if they have all come back home. 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are chickens. Zanelle sees Auntie counting the hours until dinner. 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are hours. Zanelle can't see the numbers in the world. She goes to speak to her sister, who is 8 years old and knows everything. If you look at anything in the right way, you can see a number in it, her sister says. She gives Zanelle a pair of magic glasses and tells her to go look for numbers in the world. 1, 2, 3, 4. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called I'm a Little Teapot. And look what I have in my backpack. A banjo! I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Now this time, we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go! I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog!
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hi, Fox! What are you doing? I'm making patterns. Look! I'm making a design with wiggle bugs and birds. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug. What comes next? I'm not sure. A bird. Let's say the names of each thing together. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug, bird. Oh, I see the pattern. I hear it too. Wiggle bug, bird. Oh, can I help you make another pattern? Sure. Let's make another pattern with these same things. Bird, bird, wiggle bug. Bird, bird, wiggle bug. Bird, bird. What comes next? Wiggle bug! You got it! Let's say it together. Bird, bird, wiggle bug. Bird, bird, wiggle bug. Bird, bird, wiggle bug. What's the pattern? Bird, bird, wiggle bug. Oh, that's it. Oh, can I make a pattern? Sure. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug. Do you know what comes next? A bird. That's it. All together. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug, bird. Can I borrow your glue stick, please? I want to glue these down. Sure. want to make another pattern? No, I want to go and tell Miss Panda. Miss Panda! Miss Panda! I made a pattern! Bye, Hedgehog! See you later! Bye, friends. See you later, too. Shapes. Circles. Triangles. Ovals. Squares. Stars. Rectangles. Hey, I have an idea. Look!
Hello, everyone.
It's time to move! Follow me! Goodbye!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.